Hello, it's Ryan and welcome to video number 5, our last video in this series. I promised you I would reveal the biggest online marketing secrets. I know it's a big promise, but trust me, bear with me. When I got started online 10 years ago, I tried everything. I tried everything, every strategy. Every time I would see a video with a strategy, I would try it. Every time I would read a new book with a new strategy, I would try it. I would go to an event or a seminar, I would hear about something, a technique or tactic, I would try it. In a way, that helped me because that built my skills. But if I had to do it again, I wouldn't go about it the same way. I would use the blueprint I just share with you because that blueprint work. Okay, know your reason why, set a target, do the math, find an offer, promote the offer. That's you can't go wrong with that blueprint, with that map, with that plan. Now, what will change is how you, the details and what kind of offer you're going to promote, what traffic strategy you're going to use, how you're going to go about it. Are you going to do banner ads? Are you going to do solo ads? Are you going to have a daily email newsletter, a weekly email newsletter? Those are the details that you will need to figure out as you go. But the blueprint, the principles never change. This is why I always focus on principles, and that's what I wanted to do in that in this video series, in that training, give you the principles, the things that will never change, so that you have the best chance to succeed. That said, the number one mistake I made was to ignore the 80-20 rule. And the 80-20 rule simply means that 80% of your results will come from 20% of your action. One resource that I highly recommend that you get, something that you must absolutely have, is this book, 80-20 Sales and Marketing by Perry Marshall. Because in that book, everybody understand the 80-20 rule. You probably heard about it. It's probably not new to you. But when you read 80-20 Sales and Marketing, you will become a master at the 80-20 rule, because there's so much more than just 80-20. And as you can see, I killed that book. I read it all the time. I never stop reading that book. I always learn something new. I try to be reminded again and again of the strategies and tools that I learned from this book. When you become a master at 80-20, when you go deep, because that's really what we're talking about. We're talking about mastery. When you go deep at 80-20, you would take better decisions in your business. You would be able to ignore the noise and go straight to what you need to be successful. Because the truth is, there are thousands of ways to be successful online. Thousands of products, thousands of traffic strategies, thousands of approach, but you need to focus on few of them, few that would work for you, and then just become better and better at them. That's how you can guarantee your success. People who fail online are people who keep trying everything. They try something and they stop, then they try something else, then they get excited about the latest fad or strategy or latest product or whatever, but they never produce any results. And I don't want that to happen for you. I want you to get results. I want you to make progress. And I want you to be successful. That's it. So do not ignore the 80-20 rule. Get that book, read it, use it, and make sure to be strategic on how you approach your online business. And one way to really be strategic is to also get good training and good information. I hope you enjoyed those videos. I hope you got a lot of value from it, and that helped you make progress, and that gave you more certainty and excitement towards your entrepreneurial journey online. And I will talk to you soon. Take care.